Good morning, students. Today we'll start a new topic on trigonometry, that is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, so let's first understand what the topic means. That means complementary angles. Complementary angles where the two angle sum is 90 degree. There we say that angle is a complementary angle. For example, if we can see in this figure what is provided in our screen, that here angle B is 90 degree. Okay, and we all know from angle sum property of a triangle that sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Fine. Angle B is defined because it is a right angle triangle, so B value is 90 degree. Now we see that what happens here. Angle A plus C becomes 180 minus 90 degree. Okay, so angle A plus C is equal to 90 degree. Fine. So A and C are said to be complementary angles. So they are forming a pair of complementary angles because their sum is 90 degree. Now in a quick way I am going to tell you that how these formulas came into being, whatever we used to learn in complementary angles about trigonometric ratios. Okay, so let's start it. If we write down sine of angle A, okay, so sine of angle A means this angle, so perpendicular will be BC upon AC is hypotenuse. Okay, if we write down cos of angle A, so it will be AB upon AC. And if we talk about tan of angle A, so it will be BC upon AB, because BC is perpendicular here with respect to angle A. If you are not clear about that how we can write the trigonometric ratios of sine, cos and tan, then I'll prefer that you can use my previous videos to learn these things, because I have uploaded there. From if you learn there, then only you can able to understand that this what I am doing here in advanced level of it. Okay, now moving ahead, if we want to write down sine of angle C with respect to C, what will be the value? Perpendicular will become AB upon AC. Now cos of angle C, what will happen? Cos of C will become BC upon AC. And if we write tan of angle C, it will become tan of C, it will become perpendicular is AB and base is BC, AB upon BC. I hope you are understanding it. Now for angle C, we can write from here. From here we can write angle C is equal to 90 minus A. So instead of C, we can write 90 minus A, because A and C are complementary angles, and put the values. Here also for C, we are writing 90 minus A and then put the values BC upon AC. And similarly for tan C, 90 minus A in place of C, and then it will become AB upon BC. Okay, now we just compare. Here it is AB upon AC, and in this it is AB upon AC. We have to compare with the two angles. For A angle and 90 minus A, which ratios are same? So these two ratios are same, we can see. So we can write that sine 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Similarly, if we want to compare BC upon AC, where it is coming? Here it is coming, and this is BC upon AC, there is also BC upon AC. So cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A, because both ratios are coming same. And if we talk about tan 90 minus A, it is AB upon BC. Okay, so if we look about tan 90 minus A, and just a minute, if we write cot A value will be, here with respect to A, cot value will be B upon P, so AB upon BC. So here also you can see that these two values are coming same. So tan 90 minus A will become equal to cot A. So in a quick session, in a brief way, I want to tell you that how these formulas came into being. Okay, it is nothing to do with ratification and all those things, that somewhere sine is coming, it is getting converted to cos, somewhere sine is converted to cosec. So how it is learned, it is quite difficult. So nothing to bother about those things. You have to just learn the reason behind it. If you understand the reason behind it, then obviously it become quite easy to understand and learn these things. If you just used to learn that sine 90 minus a cos a, and in previous section we have learned something else, so it will all get messed up. Okay, so it is about complementary angles. So complementary angles, that means whenever we have two angles whose sum is 90 degree, there we can use these formulas. In a similar fashion, we can use another one, that as we have written sine 90 minus a cos a, similarly cos 90 minus a will become sine a. As cos 90 minus a became cos 90 minus a becomes sine a. Okay, I have already written that. So now moving ahead, we have to write down cot 90 minus a. Cot 90 minus a will become tan a. Okay, from there you can derive that tan 90 minus a is cot a. So cot 90 minus a will be tan a. Now if cos 90 minus a is sine a, then sec 90 minus a will become cosec a. That means if we have taken reciprocal, then we have to take reciprocal on both sides. 1 by cos will become sec and 1 by sine will also become cosec. So sec 90 minus a will become cosec a. Okay, and the last one, we have to take the reciprocal of the first one. This has been repeated, so just remove it. Here, from here we can write that cosec 90 minus a is equal to sec a. Okay, I hope now it will become easy to learn. You have to learn just 3 formulas and how it come into being, because these two are complementary angles, and so their sum are 90 degree. So first of all, we'll find the sine cos tan function with respect to a, then we find the sine cos tan function with respect to c, and we can write c as 90 minus a because a and c are complementary angles, and from there we can compare the trigonometric ratios. These two ratios are same, so sine 90 minus a is equal to cos a. Again, these two ratios are same, so cos 90 minus a will become equal to sine a, and similarly tan 90 minus a value and cot a value will become same, so tan 90 minus a is equal to cot a. If we get these 3 formulas, then we have to just convert them. If tan 90 minus a equal to cot a, then cot 90 minus a will also be equal to tan a. You can verify in a very similar fashion there. Okay, now sec 90 minus a, we have to take the reciprocal of these two functions. In this, if we take reciprocal, it will become sec 90 minus a is equal to cosec a, and in this also if you take reciprocal, cosec 90 minus a will become equal to sec a. Okay, these also can be verified. I'm just showing you here in a very short that cosec a, if we write cosec a, so cosec a value will be reciprocal of sine, so it will be AC upon BC. Okay, now then sec a value will be AC upon AB, hypotenuse upon base, that is sec. Then cot a, I have already written there, AB upon BC. Then moving ahead to C part, that is cosec C. Cosec C, that means 90 minus A, that is AC upon AB with respect to C. So AC upon AB, perpendicular will be AB. Now after cosec, sec C value will be AC upon BC. And then cot C. So cot C means with respect to this angle, the base will be BC and perpendicular will be AB. Now again you can see here that cosec C means cosec 90 minus A. Okay, we have written cosec 90 minus A is equal to sec A. So you can see here both values are coming to be same. Again, cosec 90 minus A is equal to sec 90 minus A is equal to cosec A. So it is AC upon BC, and this is also AC upon BC. So both are same. So that's how we can derive other also. Okay, so I hope now you will be able to understand and a little bit less confusing for you, and it will be easier for you to learn these 6 formulas. In the next video, I will tell you that how can we use these formulas to solve questions, because first of all, you need to learn the technique to remind in your mind, recall in your mind, and still down in your mind that how these formulas came into being. If you understand this, then obviously question is quite easy to solve based on it. Thank you so much for watching. If you find still any difficulty, then please write down in the comment box, and if you really like it, then please like the like button. Thank you so much for watching.